Well, hello everybody. Welcome back to Best Life and Beyond Disneyland, and it's Friday, December 8th.
Yes, it is. Very cold morning here.
Yeah, it is.
We're gonna head into the park and we're gonna check it out. We're gonna see if the crowds have returned. It's been not busy the last few times we've been here, so we'll see.
That'd be nice because I'm here on a weekday.
I know.
It's not a weekend. I'm here on a weekday.
What's happening?
So
What's happening?
nice. Everybody mark this down. It's a historic time in Pixar Charlie history.
He took a day off of work.
He did. And we got him.
Yes. So we're going to go and have some fun today. It's going to be a good time. Hopefully it warms up. All right, we're starting off taking a little train ride, and then we're hungry, so we're gonna get breakfast. We're probably gonna head over to Galactic Grill for breakfast just to get something quick. That's kind of been our go-to lately. Just easy, and the mobile order is like always like no wait.
E.P. Ripley. Choose, you choose. Guys.
Oh my god.
I changed my mind. I want to go.
Okay.
Serve breakfast.
I bet you they will at some point.
I hope so. Like, I think that would be super cool.
All right, there's Tiana's, and there's already a decent little beignet line, and we're happy that this year the peppermint beignets, well, according to Katie, that they weren't.
They're candy cane / peppermint.
Yeah, but Charlie, I remember. I also thought this too.
Yeah.
What did you think they tasted like?
Last year, toothpaste.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So those famous toothpaste beignets that we get over here at New Orleans Square.
So you can clean your teeth and eat them at the same time. It was great.
I love that they decorate and put garland everywhere.
For those just joining us, welcome aboard the
How's Haunted
Disneyland
Mansion
Railroad.
looking?
To ensure a safe
Not bad.
ride,
It's
stay
filling
seated
in,
with
though.
your hands,
It's
arms,
filling in.
feet,
Yeah.
and legs
Well, when the
inside
queue's
train.
starting to go
And
outside.
please watch your kids.
I hear that place is haunted.
No.
Right there.
It's haunted?
Really?
It's haunted. That's what I've heard. It's kind of weird. I've never seen any ghosts.
We're now entering the Bayou, soon to be home to Tiana's Bayou Adventure. People like you have been riding these rails since the 1800s, traveling through nature's wonderland in a matter of days, rather than the months it used to take by mule or stagecoach. Steam power not only fueled these iron horses, but the dreams of a whole new generation as it moved west into this great frontier.
The boats are in a traffic jam.
Yeah.
The ball, Fantasyland. You can see people stepping onto it as
Ah, yes, it's a small world holiday.
I have to say the sun feels so
It's all
good.
outside.
All right, how many Autopia cars?
How many Autopia cars are going to be sitting, waiting to get fixed? Charlie, how many?
I'm going with 6.
32.
32?
She says 6, I say 4.
I don't think the
Say
ride's
6.
even running
All
yet.
right, 6 and 4.
to a land
1, 2,
inspired by
3,
visions of
4.
tomorrow.
Oh, 5, 6,
Wait.
and imagine.
7.
Here you'll find rocket
So, Katie, you won. You were closest. Wait, what did you say?
Wait, 6.
Yeah, you
So
won.
closest without going over.
You won.
I did it.
Dude, those ones were hidden over there.
Also, look at the oranges in the
Oh,
tree.
what? That's rad.
the first daily operating
Look at those. A couple of those little fruit trees
There's
right
my 32 right there.
gliding above Disneyland.
now. We can only hope for a monorail pass by.
Oh. He's saying good morning.
Good morning, Matterhorn.
Looks so pretty right now. And the waterfalls are on.
Waterfalls are on.
So cold last night. It snowed up there.
It snowed, yeah.
It snowed.
That's not even snow. That's snow.
Right, that's real snow.
There's Sherman and Williams white
And if
snow.
and if we had smell-o-vision, you could smell the lawnmower-esque morning over here by Autopia. Two-stroke engine.
Get your weed eaters going.
That's right.
All right, my order's ready.
All right. We're being pretty typical going to Galactic Grill, but you know what? We find something that works and we stick to it. All right, there we go. What's up, Charlie?
Things you never hear is like, I want to sit in the sun.
Yeah,
like,
it's
very
genuinely,
rare.
it hasn't broken 60 yet.
No.
And it's like, what time?
It's 9:30.
9:30, yeah.
Yeah.
Sun's been out, so yeah, it's a chilly day.
Well, it's making me think that we should go on Tom Sawyer Island, or go to Tom Sawyer Island.
I always think we should go to Tom Sawyer Island, but that's just me.
I just
That'd
don't.
be fun.
Yeah, it's mostly always like too hot to go,
Yeah,
and like
Charlie hasn't
today's
been
a good
over there in a
day.
while.
Yeah, it's been a couple years.
Check out the caves and what. Funnel cake fries right there. These are the closest you can get to French toast right now over here. We used to get the French toast sticks, but they're just not available right now. You know how things are.
This is Spencer applying his hand sanitizer. Very aseptic
Good luck.
technique. Very good. What are you in Vegas?
Good luck.
already?
That's what they do. They go, good luck.
How cold is it right now?
I heard it's 57 according to Charlie's handy dandy computer
57.
phone. 57.
5-7.
All right, I'm having a bite of the burrito. It's bomb. I love this burrito. And then Katie's got the,
Funnel cake fries. Oh,
oh,
and they're soft on the inside.
they're not overdone like some of our funnel cakes that we've been getting lately. Fork breakers.
Those are delicious.
It's very chilly, and even colder by the Matterhorn over here. I think I don't know what's going on, but
Yeah. Oh my
monorail,
goodness.
monorail.
Monorail.
Oh, there he is. 100 rail.
That is so cool.
Anyway, sorry, I was.
Day made.
I heard it coming. I was like, oh, here it comes. Here comes the
I
rail.
didn't even hear it. Probably from my teeth chattering.
100th rail is sneaky.
It is. Very sleek, very sneaky. So we have an idea that we're gonna maybe try to go on Alice in Wonderland.
Okay.
I feel like today's theme is like stuff we don't normally do too often.
All right, we have arrived at Alice. Let's see. I don't know how long it's going to be, but we're going to try. We are definitely going to try. We're under the shade of the toadstool.
It's a fun guy to hang around with.
Oh my gosh.
All day, folks.
Be here all week. Try the portobellos.
There you go.
All right, so it's 9:48, and it says 25 from up there. Price is Right rules. Katie says this is going to take 16 minutes, even though the sign up there says
16.
25. I can't see it from there. 25 from that point.
Okay, so my guess from this point is that it's going to take us 15 minutes. It's the closest without going over. It's 9:50, so we'll see what happens. Sign says 25. So I have 2 minutes. It's 10:03 right now. I literally have 2 minutes to make it on the attraction. I did it, 10:05.
Watch out, Charlie. There's a hole right there. Watch out.
Adventures in Wonderland began when I followed the white rabbit down the Matterhorn.
Well, how the road?
Wait!
No, that way.
There are no in such a village and a castle entertainment.
I'm not sure where I am when this way.
Who's his head?
Shall we play croquet?
Rule 42.
Honey, today's my birthday too.
Okay, so we're walking through Fantasyland and the crowds have definitely returned. It hasn't been that busy, but today, for a Friday, they're coming back.
Big Thunder Trail with nobody around.
Okay, I was just saying how busy it was, and then we turned the corner, and here we are.
That's where a man can think, Charlie.
Right here.
Right here.
In the caves.
In the caves, that's right.
Girl.
That's right. You get
All right,
barreled.
Charlie, you have to do it. You have to go through.
Charlie's in the barrel. There he goes.
We need some surfing music. I know why it's so quiet back here. Big Thunder's down.
Oh yeah.
That's what it is. Big Thunder is completely down. It's off. It's quiet.
All right. You can see the fish. Fish are jumping today. One of the old effects from Nature's Wonderland Railroad that used to come right across a bridge that is no longer here. All right, let's dissolve into the old photo so Katie can see the old bridge going across Nature's Wonderland.
At least it warmed up a little bit.
Yeah. Rivers of America. Construction of America over there. We're gonna head, I think, we were talking about the island, so at some point we're hitting that island.
I think we really need to.
The morning's good because it's mellower. It's not as...
Yeah, and it's starting to get a little warmer, so I think we should do it before it gets warmer.
So Pirates is 30. I was very close. I said 25. This is why going to the island is so good in the morning. Look at, there's like nobody here.
Yeah, it's great. And again, not hot.
Everybody's distracted over there at Haunted Mansion, which is a great attraction, don't get me wrong.
We love the island, though. I feel like
but
it
the
doesn't
raft,
get...
I mean, come on. Oh, there goes the raft. We're stuck here.
Oh, man.
Have you ever noticed the drinking fountains are the fountain of youth? I've never noticed that before.
You can take a sip, Charlie, or what? Yeah. Beware, Captain Jack Sparrow.
Oh, they found my way out.
Oh, there he is.
It is so dark in here. I can't even see a thing.
You can smell the earth, like the dirt. It's crazy. You gonna do it? You gonna try to open it up?
Let none disturb this chest that holds the hand of Davy Jones.
Yar, we found gold.
Oh, let's just take that. Horrifying.
I love doing that!
I bet you do.
Oh, look, there's a nice crown and some jewels in
Let's just
there.
grab that. Oh,
This one's really good.
There's a world of trouble ahead for them what takes this cursed gold. Oh, bunch of bilge rats stumbling around in the dark.
Dude, I
Don't
never
you,
noticed the
matey?
moon up there in the sky. That's
Or are
insane.
you
Oh, it's a hidden
fixing
Mickey
on
right now.
leaving me here
It's a hidden
with
Mickey,
none
look.
but...
I just heard a voice or a noise right there on that side, so that was like the perfect. I did not expect that.
Gotcha.
That you did.
All right, we made it. You'd see in the Columbia come through here. It's like, doesn't even seem like it could fit, but it does.
I know. How is this even possible?
So rad. As the Columbia makes her way around the rivers of America, we continue down to the Barrel Bridge.
Do not
Don't
wanna
rock
get
or sway the bridge, Katie. Rock the bridge.
If
Or
you
sway
guys
the bridge
get
over.
my, if you guys get my shoes wet,
There she goes.
I maybe shouldn't do this. You stand back.
Whoa. Woo. Whoa.
I did it.
Charlie's coming. It's actually pretty wobbly since it's been a while. Whoa.
Ooh.
Here comes Pixar. Look at,
Oh my gosh.
look at the technique.
Wow. Oh. You did it.
That was done.
All right. The other cave system. This one's really tight.
Yeah, I don't want to squeeze into that.
I ain't gonna fit in there.
See, because there's a little window here. Can you find the window, Katie?
I'll try.
All right.
It's a little dark in here. I gotta go around. All right, I really can't see a thing. It's very dark in this cave. Okay, I'm trying to find the window. Where
Yeah.
are you at?
I'm
okay,
over here.
If I keep coming, oh, I think I see you. I think I found it. I made it.
How cool is that?
Did you hear me like while I was going through the cave?
Yeah,
I was
wait.
talking.
There you are.
Hello from inside the tightest cave here on Tom Sawyer Island, or Pirate's Lair. Which way does this go? I'm gonna
I think it goes around to the front.
Oh boy. Oh, this is claustrophobic in here.
I'm
Oh
gonna
yeah,
keep-
it's on the other side.
All right, we'll meet you over there.
Okay.
Stuck between a rock and a hard place. I'm stuck, dude. What am I doing?
Just
the heck?
hold on. Let me go get some butter.
Okay, that would help.
So Charlie and I came up to the top of the crow's nest because we were checking out the old merry-go-round rock location. It was right there. You can see the circular nature of it. It would have been in the middle there, and then they put like a couple boulders in there to kind of block it. But that's where the merry-go-round rock used to be. All right, we're down at the bottom now looking at it from just ground view, and you can see the 2 boulders that they added there. And the way that it was set up was for climbing, obviously, and we think that this is all filled in, that those rocks probably stepped all the way down so that you could easily access that, because you were encouraged to climb all over these rocks. All right, we're headed back.
On the raft again.
We are on the raft again. Just can't wait to get over to the mainland.
It's finally warming up. It has happened.
That's a fun little adventure.
It was. And boy, the park is getting packed.
Pirates of the Caribbean, a hefty, like, what is it, 35 now?
35. Yeah, it's packed.
Over the bridge.
It's just crazy because it hasn't been that busy, and then all of a sudden, Friday, who'd have thunk? The crowds are back.
It's a double back on the bridge, oh boy.
Wow. We don't see that, like, or we haven't seen that in quite some time. Oh yeah, the treehouse is like, because remember when we went up, Spence, there was no one, really. Yeah,
I just love that we have, you know, a water feature back over here. It helps Adventureland out drastically. Standing by Patrick's tree, and you know, he decorated, I don't know if you saw the other day in our video, but he decorated, and someone has given him a little offering of some gifts. It looks like a matchbox with little gifts and decorations. At first I thought it was like a doormat, but no, someone has left Patrick gifts. That's very cool. That's a fine thing. Adventureland tree, I'm loving the stern wheel as the tree topper, and what is that, a piranha up top? All right, back at Town Square, and look at this. They took away the no-fly zone over Disneyland now. So many times I've seen airplanes go over too, and I have to say that when you're talking theming, it kind of wrecks the theming.
It does.
You never saw planes,
right,
you know, and you wouldn't in the, you know, Frontierland, you wouldn't see an airplane go over.
Right.
So I don't know if that originally was for theme or if it was for safety or what it was.
But it's weird.
But I'll tell you, I don't like it.
I don't care for it either.
All right, we're at the castle. We're waiting for the band and the characters. It's going to be an awesome moment. There's a lot of people waiting to see this right now. That's going to wrap it up. Chasing the parade right out of town. That was a fun day. It started off mellow.
Yeah, it did.
And then kind of got really crowded.
Yeah, coolish and mellow.
Yeah.
Now it's warmed up and crowded.
Yeah, cold morning. It's funny, it was opposite day. It really was. It started off cold and not crowded, and then it got hot and crowded.
Yeah, so
here we are.
It was a blast, though. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you can make it down here soon. Thanks to our Patreons. Thank you for watching, and we will see you next time on Best Life and Beyond. Bye-bye, everybody.